Hey guys, it's Rob from Mr. Homeowner. I'm testing out some new software, so I figured what better to do than review some of my old videos. Um, so today I picked 3 of my favorite, and here we go. We put me up here. Woo! That. Alright, the first one I'm going to show you is the sirloin steaks, shrimp, and green beans on the Blackstone. Ooh, I'm going to turn that volume down a little bit.
Tonight we're making some steak on the griddle. Now I'm just getting all the steaks out of their packages.
So we're not going to watch the whole thing. Oh, look. I don't do this often. See, I patted them down.
Dry them off. Pat them down a little bit.
Dried them off. Let's scoot up to here. This is when I have my 22-inch.
We're going to do 7 minutes per side to start out. Shrimp we're not going to put on for a little bit.
This is back when my kids would video for me.
Stuff on here. I'm just going to throw some more
Now I got to use tripods. So they're all tired of it.
So
let's fast forward a little bit. See what we got.
Kind of medium.
Look at those. We got the shrimp on there.
Push them all out a little bit. Let those do.
Yeah, I got to do steaks and shrimp again. And then I think I added some green beans up here later.
Yeah, these ones.
Here we go. Look at that. But yeah, these are awesome. I'm gonna make that again soon.
Still on high heat over there.
Let's see what happens with these guys.
They're all nice and pink. Good with meat grease on them. Isn't that neat?
All right, let's fast forward up to the end result here.
We'll go ahead and show you what's on the plate. Thanks.
Let's see.
Here we are, all finished.
Look at that. Oh, a little butter sauce. Butter garlic.
On top. And we're done.
That was cool. All right, let's move on to the next one. Cinnamon apples. I just did this one a couple weeks ago.
Hey guys, today we're gonna do some
ooh, that's too loud.
Some water.
So with these, you want to make sure you keep water on them.
Cinnamon.
That way they don't dry out. Add cinnamon as you're doing it. These are great.
2.
Yeah, this was a family favorite here.
These are getting soft, but not as soft.
If you haven't tried this yet, you got to do apples. Apples in the French toast. I can't wait. I gotta look to see.
Powdered sugar on here.
Oh,
Alright,
look at that.
so here's what we have.
Yeah, I gotta make that again soon too.
I'll move some things around. Apples. Awesome. Put some powdered sugar on here. A little cream. That was really good. I don't even have any syrup on here. Sorry.
All right, let's get to this last one. So that's a great breakfast one. And then we got smash burgers.
Today we're going to do some smash burgers.
Are we? All right, let's fast forward this bacon. Ooh, there's a close-up. A little butter down. There we go, doing some smashing. So we got the cheese. So we had smash burgers so far. Oh, that's right. Getting the eggs.
Alright, we'll see you inside. Alright, still got medium heat going on.
Let me turn that down again. Here's the chickens in the background. What's this? Oh, this is the mac and cheese. Here we go. Yeah, this was probably one of my favorite videos ever that I did.
Alright, we'll see you right back. With
Mostly it was my favorite to eat.
I've always wanted to do mac and cheese on the grill. Here we go.
Yes, this is just mac and cheese. Put them into little patties.
So I don't like how people want them grilled up. I guess they'll be fine. Well, what it wants to do.
Yeah, those are amazing. All right, then we're toasting up the buns.
Right? So that. So our first one left is
Let's see the close up. Nice. That's about it. So, mainly just testing out this software. Seems like it's working pretty well. But thanks for watching my test, and leave some comments below. What are your favorite videos that you've done? What's your favorite cooks on the Blackstone you've done? Let me know. We'll see ya.